everyone! Today I'm bringing a bright, colorful rainbow look your way. It's a makeup look that will cheer anyone up with its vibrant colors. Let's get started. Let's start off with the eyes. Apply concealer or eye primer to your eyelids and the lower lash line. This will help the eyeshadows to come off more vibrantly. Going into the Zulu palette, use the yellow eyeshadow on the inner corners. Then the orange on the middle of your lower lash line. The pink goes on the outer lash line. Apply the green on the inner third of your eyelid. Combining both blues, apply to the center of your eyelid. Using the purple, create a sharp cat eye shape on the outer third of your eye. Now let's make those eyeshadows shine even further. Go into the pink opal shade and apply it to your entire lower lash line. Next, the green emerald. Apply it on top of your green shade. See how the shades just pop? And of course, the sapphire goes on top of the blue like so. I love this palette so much because it adds an interesting twist to any makeup look. Last but not least, apply amethyst onto the purple outer V. Using my Kat Von D eyeliner, I'm going to tightline my upper lash line. Time for mascara. Apply it to both your upper and lower lashes to make those eyes pop. Apply your favorite false lashes to complete the eye look. Time for foundation. Let's even out your skin tone by applying your favorite foundation. Blend it all together seamlessly. Set your makeup with some loose translucent powder from Kat Von D. My favorite part. Let's highlight the bridge of your nose, the cupid's bow, and chin. Just a game, 'cause I got high hopes. Going back into the Alchemist palette, let's use amethyst on the highest points of our cheekbones. With our colorful eye makeup, this purple highlighter will tie it all together. Going back into the Zulu palette, I'm going to use the orange shade as a blush. I accidentally applied too much, which is why I use my beauty blender to tone it down. My current holy grail lipstick is anything from Cosmetics. Apply it carefully over your lips, then blot it out with your fingers. We're almost there. Draw on your eyebrows with some brow powder and an angled brush. Don't forget to use a spoolie to brush away any excess. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will subscribe and like this video. Until next time.